If you didn't know, I have an exhaust leak where the test pipe and the header meet, which is causing the G to rasp a little bit more than the regular G is supposed to rasp. And I'm talking about it's pretty bad. And also, I'm putting an X pipe on it and true doodling it. Here's the X pipe that I'm talking about. Now I'm gonna show you how it will probably look like. All right, then, so here's my white pipe, right? So the white pipe sits right there, right? Okay, so I want this side to be like that. And this side, I want it to be true dualed like that. So so it'll be sitting like that. And plus my white pipe is a little bit thicker than that I have on the G. I just figured I'd let y'all know something, dude, because, you know, we got to, man. It's the build.